Hi, sister. Do you need some guidance on how to create your women's circle outline? I'm Tanya Lynn, founder of Sistership Circle, and I've taught thousands of women how to lead a women's circle over the past decade. One of the things that makes our training stand out is our focus on the masculine structure to create safe and sacred space. We provide our facilitators monthly outlines. Today, I want to make it as easy as possible for you to design your own women's circle outline with the 7 key elements that we use for our circles. Element number 1, the opening ceremony. The beginning is when you create safe and sacred space. The first part is a grounding meditation to help women arrive in the space and get present. You can then light a candle to signify the spiritual essence and create sacredness. You create safety by creating connection and having everyone introduce themselves with their name and a one-word intention. Element number 2, the agreements. Agreements continue to create that necessary safety in the space. I like to use the word agreements versus rules because rules sounds kind of like a dictator, like you have to do this or do that, but agreements are co-creative. Agreements allow us to all be on the same page. It's how we relate to the container and to one another. The 3 most basic agreements that you want to make sure that you put in place are number 1, confidentiality, number 2, timing and using a timer, and number 3 is how you either give or don't give any feedback. Element number 3 is create context. The next thing that you want to do is create context by talking about what you're going to do in the circle. So give the women a rough overview of your agenda so they know what to expect. Element number 4, the group share. This is where you ask everyone to go around and share on a particular topic. Use the timer for 3 to 4 minutes so that everyone gets an equal share. Now, you might be feeling like this feels rushed, but the truth is you'll notice that women typically finish a few seconds before the bell goes off. So it helps you in having that timer to be intentional and get to the point of your share. Element number 5 is the break. I like to move the energy during the break by having everyone get up and dance. This is especially helpful if the group went really deep in the group share. Element number 6, additional content. Then there might be some more content like paired shares or a second round of a group share, some journaling, or a ritual that embodies the intention of the circle. I provided the link below the video where I give you the 7 steps to leading a women's circle ritual. Element number 7, the closing ceremony. The closing can be as simple as blowing out a candle to signify that circle is complete, that sacred space is now closed. You can see that leading circle is simple, and it's in that simplicity that profound transformation can happen. What makes a circle most powerful is when women feel connected by sharing. Focus on that, and your circle will be amazing. I have a free ebook where I go deeper into leading circle that you can download for free at sistershipcircle.com/ebook. Together in sisterhood, we are stronger, and together we will change the world. The world needs your leadership, so go out there, gather the women, and lead them in circle.